Alright, so what is good, everybody on YouTube? This is of course your boy B, Bullet RC, coming at you guys again with yet another. And listen, today we have another banger. I know the shoe's supposed to come in a little bit earlier, but trust me, the reviews are coming in. Of course, we gotta unbox them first. Now, I also want to say this, man. Y'all see all those boxes in the back? Make sure you drop a like on this video. Take 1 second, 2 seconds, half a second to scroll up or down on your screen and just tap that like button. And that doesn't just go for me, that goes for anybody you watch on YouTube, man. Make sure to support them and at least drop a like. Finesse Gang, as always, shouts out to y'all. But I mean, you guys can kind of see what's going on. We got early pickup in today. We got some retail pickups. I told y'all there was one shoe that I wanted that I was not paying over retail for, and I actually got 2 pairs of them, and you guys can just see everything in the back now. The choir stand is over there for today. We're just gonna be using the good old $10 Ross nightstand today because that's probably gonna hold most of these boxes. I don't know if the choir stand is strong enough for all that action yet, so let me grab the boxes. 1 box, 2 box, 3 box, and of course, to go ahead and end it all off, can I take a step? Can I get back in my chair? Can I get back in frame? I also was able to pick up 2 pairs from the local store, Cream, for retail. They actually posted up this shoe. We're gonna get into this one first. Now, as I was saying, these 2 pickups right here, I got them both for retail. One of them I'm just gonna be tossing up on Bull's Bodega, but of course one of them is for the personal, is for me, and I gotta say thanks to Anna for actually getting in line and getting them for me. So I got both of these pickups from Cream. I got 1 bag, 2 bag, 1 pair, and I got there late and I got this second pair. And that is, I mean, as soon as you guys see the box, you already know what the deal is. It is all over orange, but of course I have one, not only one, I was able to get 2, and I actually stuck to my guns on this pair, and I said if I could not get this shoe for retail, it was retail or nothing. I almost spent resale, I almost did. And of course, if we open up this orange box, you already know what's inside of here. There we go, it comes out. Of course, you got the all over black Fear of God bag that comes on the inside. Toss that. The Back to the Future lace bag as always, and of course on the inside, the actual shoes we were actually able to get, well, I forgot they do come in the Back to the Future foil too, but I was able to grab a pair of oatmeal Fear of God ones for retail. I guess Cream got their pairs in a little bit earlier, and they just posted up on their IG. They just said first come first serve, and Anna was up there before me, so she was actually able to get my size. Now this is my size, a size 12 in the oatmeal elf boots, but y'all know I really dig the Fear of Gods. I told y'all I really like this colorway, and I know retail is hefty, and that's why for me it was kind of like retail or nothing. So I did grab this pair, but let me just go ahead and take out the other one. At this point, it's not like I'm gonna return them if there's anything wrong, but at least let me peep these bad boys out. Can I get the paper? Can I get the foil, everything off of them? Yes. So I was able to get the oatmeal fogs from the store for retail, another fog down, and I think that's kind of it. Like maybe the yellow pair, but if they don't release again, I'm definitely not paying resale for those. So the fog hype, whatever y'all want to call it, for me, I'm good right now. Feel like I got enough pairs. So Fear of Gods for retail from the store, just like that. Now of course we got more. So this shoe right here, I want to just give a big shout out to my homie R once again, bro. He be hitting on Nike sneakers. You already know how I be doing on Nike sneakers. I don't need to elaborate, bro. I'm gonna try not to kind of shit on Nike sneakers every time I talk about them, because basically they shit on me every time I go in for a release. But it's all good. It's okay. I can't let Nike sneakers stop me. Now this next one right here is actually an off-white sneaker. I'm not too sure how I'm feeling about this one right here. Of course, you guys can see the all over, you know, a lot of orange, a lot of bright stuff going on. Hold on, let me toss the receipt back in there. As you guys can see right here, blam, the off-white box. These right here are the women's Vapor Street off-white. Retail on these is $190, and this is actually a size 12 men's, size 13.5 women's. You guys can see the all over crazy Mickey Mouse Chuck E. Cheese cutout box. And if we get into the inside, you got the off-white yellow paper, off-white 2020, just so you guys can kind of see that in detail. If we go ahead and peel these off right here, we do have the all over yellow pair, and these things, These shits are wild. Once again, my homie was the one that hit on these. I told y'all I wasn't sure how a size 12 Yacht Gang will look on my foot for this shoe, and I'm still not sure, because if you guys look at this thing, they are wild. It's a lot going on with this shoe right here. Really, I feel like you just gotta kind of like fix them up, because right now they just been flattened. They've been in the box the whole time, and they just don't look as flattering as I feel they could look on feet. So yes, this is the yellow off-white Vapor Street joints. It is a very interesting looking sneaker, and I know this is one that everyone is not going to be down with, just because the materials, the colors, the shape, the form factor. This is definitely some basuda, but I can still see someone kind of digging these if they were into that weird shit like I am, the weird shit enthusiast. So that's the second shoe, off-white Nike Zoom Vapor Street. Go ahead. Matter of fact, you know, I gotta keep the tradition going. I gotta find a way to stack all the boxes in the back so you guys can see it. And listen, man, we are not done. We still have 2 boxes to go. Once again, flick the knife open, and this is the shoe that I had been, you know, pretty eager to see how this year's retro is gonna look. The last time these dropped was 7 years ago. And the funny thing about this shoe is that 7 years ago, I had to camp out in the cold. And nowadays, in 2019, the days of Nike sneakers, camping out, getting shoes early, you know, getting a shoe early just isn't that crazy with Nike sneakers. And camping out is basically, I mean, it's virtually doesn't even really exist anymore, except for some stores, some drops from time to time. But most of the stuff, people just do raffles. Now, as I can see right here, but y'all are seeing right here, yes, the receipt is there. Then go ahead and try to not have people's addresses all over the place. I'm trying not to mess up the box, but I have to peel this tape off like super slow.
One eternity later.
Anyways, come on now. Y'all know what's in this box. OG box, which I actually dig. I'm not gonna complain about them not having a little slide out box or red thing. The OG box, I can't complain. Now this is actually a size 12.5 Air Jordan 11 Retro. USD retail is $220 on this pair, and if we flip them open, of course, you get that black paper on the inside. You do have a little card right here, Air Jordan 11. I'm not going to read out the rest because I'm going to be doing a full review on it, and you'll see this in that review. So let's go ahead and set this over here, and we have the brand new 2019 Air Jordan 11 Bred. And I mean, it's the Breds. It's you know, it's not that it's gonna blow my mind because I already have a 2012 pair of Breds, but I do like that these have the higher cut on the patent leather. Of course, you have the OG box, and this one is just, you know, way closer to the OGs with the Nike Air on the inside. You still do have, I was just checking, you do still have the red plastic insert just like the other ones. And the shoe itself, I mean, it looks good, bro. Breds, playoff 11s, whatever you want to call them, they're never gonna look bad. The 11 is just one of those shoes where every time it drops, if it's like a classic colorway or a really good colorway, it's just gonna sell out. And that's really no different with this Bred Air Jordan 11. The shape, in my opinion, looks pretty good. The toe isn't too boxy. You guys got the bottom, of course, all red, got your carbon fiber, and all in all, I think they just look really good. I think they did a really good job with this pair. And yeah, man, Bred 11s for 2019, they are here, they have landed, and the review is coming very soon. Now, all these shoes are really cool. I'm glad to have them. Oatmeals, off-whites, Breds, early. I can't complain, but there was one shoe that I really was trying to get. It's a brand new model, and I actually dig it. I think some of y'all may or may not like it, and it is actually in this box right here that, you know, once again, I had to pay resale for these. All of these are retail. This pair though, it was resale. Okay, it is time. Let's get into this box. Again, USPS. If someone spends the money for overnight, get it to them the next day. The same thing that happened to me with the Travises is the same thing that happened to me with this pair. Paid for overnight shipping. It did not come in overnight. It came in 2 days, and that's not what I paid for. Again, I'm gonna have to hit up the homie and tell him to contact USPS so we get that money back and we split on that shipping. Listen, man, it's about to turn to a fool me once, fool me twice, fool me 3 times, can't get fooled again type situation with USPS and overnight shipping. It's time. You already know. What is that? Number's different. This number, that number's a little different. Not a 350, not a 700, not a 750. Nah, not this time. We're talking about the brand new Yeezy Boost 380. I am very excited to see this shoe. Alien pair of the Yeezy Boost 380. You guys can see the box. Blam, blam right there. And I'm gonna just, I'm gonna go like this. The shoe's probably gonna be covered up. Slide it open. I'm pretty sure Buddy opened the box at least, yeah, because one of the shoes is flipped. He probably looked at it. But yes, we do have the new Yeezy Boost 380 in the Alien colorway. I told you guys before this shoe dropped that I actually really liked this particular colorway, and if the black and this colorway dropped first, I really wanted this one. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put them like that. This is definitely, again, not gonna be a shoe for everyone, but in my opinion, as far as a new Yeezy, like, I know people ask for new Yeezys. We want new Yeezys, and I mean, here's a new one right here. Obviously, it does have some similarities to the 350, but the overall shape, the feel of it, it feels more of a mid-cut sneaker rather than a low-cut sneaker like the 350 V2. You can even kind of see that pattern going on the midsole right there. And another detail people were pointing out is that at the back, you do have the Alien back there as well. Let me go ahead and see what my other Alien is looking like in here. Hold on. And yes, you have the Aliens represented right back there. Yeezy 380 Boost Alien pair, and that is a wrap. Listen, like I said, man, drop a like on this bid, and I got work ahead of me. I definitely want to drop a on feet for this 380 pair, and I definitely got to drop a review on the Breds ASAP. I'm not sure we're gonna be dropping a review on the oatmeals. And again, this right here was my homie's pair. He just had them with these, so I unboxed them together, and they're interesting. I'll definitely say it. These are interesting. Anyways though, man, that is it. Much love to all the fam, followers, and of course supporters. You guys can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, SoundCloud, Snapchat. The Snapchat is bull.cb, by the way. Here, there, blah blah. Of course, hold on. Alien, Bullet RC, and I'm gonna see you guys next video. Let me know what you guys are thinking about these Alien 380s. How about the oatmeals? Listen, man, the oatmeals is crazy because they just posted it like, yo, they're available now, first come, first serve. And I told y'all it was retail or nothing, and I was blessed for retail. So that's it. Remember, my stacking skills are always immaculate. I'm gonna see you guys next video. Drop a like on this bit. Much love as always. Peace.
Yeah, I got a sauce, I know. I'm in my bag, I know. Hold it again, you cannot hang with all my fam, I know. They like VVS, I like fuck the rest, yeah. God keep blessing me, that's another shit.